So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. So this is Mechanical Trader K channel. So, and today is another day, another trading day. So, we will try to what to check out what's going on in the market cycle. So, we try to make analysis for us to look for opportunities. So, whether in the London session or New York session. But what we will be currently doing now is what our preparation for the market open for London session. So before the volatility starts to peaks, but because when the volatility starts to peaks, so you may made a mistake, you may try your emotion might try to get in, and from there you might try to make a lot of mistake. So doing precision analysis, I mean you preparing ahead is what it's necessary because we plan the trade and we trade the plan, and that's how it is for you to make in this in the market. So you follow your trading plan, you plan the trade you want to take, then you trade the plan you already plan ahead. So that's what we want to do. The precision analysis we're doing this current morning. So it's for us to what to check at the pre-market moves. So hitting clues so that we never miss so our great opportunities to catch market today. And so my name is what Khalid, Tajuddin Khalid. So I'm the owner of this trail. I'm the owner of this channel, and what we do here is we make precision analysis, we make preparation before the market open. So in order for us to focus on what are the coming opportunities, on what current market direction, and what on market structure. So, and that's actually what we do. And the other thing we do is we actually focus on what the strategy, also focus on psychology and fundamental analysis and other things relating to financial market. And that's what we do in this channel. So now if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. So smash the subscribe button, give us a like, turn on the notification button, and you'll be the first person to see our video when we release it. Now let's go. So we are here back today this morning. So the first one thing we have to do is what to go to our higher time frame. To go to our higher time frame market. So sometimes market may be tricky because sometimes if you check the higher time frame, sometimes I not clear view. Because what I'm seeing here is that we actually what broke structure down here, but we haven't broke structure. So we have a market structure sheet here. So we have this as a retest. The market wasn't able to break it again. The market come back to break down this. And market pull back here. So I'm market coming back here. So if I should be looking at this, I'll probably say, okay, for what I'm seeing here to my own view here, so probably seeing market making some rejection from this point here. I'll probably say, okay, with this is an uptrend, maybe we are going to switch downtrend to this point here. I can go in downside. So, because if you go to daily time frame, if you check it properly, it's just like key. So it's just like it's just like we have what break a structure, pull back, and we are expecting another structure. But so that's how it is. So on the 4 hour time frame, what I'm currently seeing here, so the last breaker structure that I probably see is this. So the last structure break for breaker structure, actually very sorry, it is a trend because if you go like this, structure will pull out to this point here. So I probably see this our current swing range, right? So our 4 hour, sorry, so our 4 hour swing high, our 4 hour swing low, right? So mark that out. So 4 hour swing high, 4 hour swing low. So a 4 hour swing high and a 4 hour swing low. Okay. So we have a 4 hour swing low here. So what do you say what? So then I expect what market trend to hand from this point here. Now we go to 15-minute time frame. That's what you check. So one thing you have to know as a trader is what you have to focus on your what medium time frame bias. It might be 15-minute time frame. It might be what so 30-minute time frame on your own side. So as you can see here from here, so we switch uptrend here, right? So it was yesterday we switch up trend. As you can see, so we're going uptrend, right? So as you can see, we have this. So to me, if I see market structure shift before the return of trend, so market structure shift here, then we trend. So I will take the first pullback. But if I didn't see market structure shift and market just break out, I won't take it because sometimes market might do anything. So market can break structure, change trend, and come back trend. So it's a sign of what market trying to consolidate. And from there, you can try to miss what uh means I can try to make a lot of losses from that point here. So we have this first pullback anchor trading. So we have this. So another entry from this point here. So another entry here, another entry here, another entry here to this point here. So and that is what I'm saying. So actually what I'm actually saying here is what so I've actually traded my current swing range. So first thing I can see here, I can see a market structure shift. We have this. So this is supply, a very, very strong supply. That's what on a 4 hour time frame, which is a strong supply. So when the pullback of a 4 hour time frame is hand, and we know that if it's a pullback on a 4 hour time frame, it's gonna be a trend. So it's going to be a trend on a 15-minute time frame. So and we have this market structure shield, which was able to take out this weak high, but wasn't able to have it and we break out downside. And we keep consolidating, we keep consolidating, we keep consolidating, we keep consolidating, and that's what. So actually the trend. So what I'll probably to look for here, because from what I'm seeing here, this was the low here. So I don't know what actually leads to this was a very, very big gap here. So we have this. So if I say I'll probably put this one as in what M15 swing low, right? M15 swing low. Uh, this as M15 swing low because that's what lead broker structure. So and this as M15 swing high, right? So as this has M15 swing high. So and we expect this pullback to take out this week high, but was it able and break down? We keep consolidating. Now the next thing we're supposed to check is what we check out for the consolidation of the Asia area. We check out of the Asia area. So the Asia area I'm currently seeing here. So in Asia range, we are consolidating. So Asia range, we are consolidating, right? So what I expect from this Asia range is to see manipulation. So we see this, we see this, we see this. Sorry, we see this, we see this. And I expect manipulation to this supply zone, then go for a less short position from that point here. Meanwhile, see market structure shift, I'm expecting trend to change. And anything can happen also. It may be what you can see an impulse from breakdown to this downside and pull back and keep continuing downside. And that's what it is. So what I'm looking at for here, market to come back to this one here, supply zone, so we can go forward manipulation then downside where we actually switch down trend, right? Is that it? Where we actually switch down trend. So that is that by doubt. So that's my analysis on this. So on US 30. So when market come back to this point, you can actually look forward, go to 1 minute for it to align. As you can see on 1 minute also it's a great consolidation. Let's see. Great consolidation. Okay, great consolidation. Great consolidation. So it was a great consolidation. So we expect market to manipulate. So wait for 1 minute to align. So if we actually wait for 1 minute to align, so it may be from this one here, because that's where the outlier kind of starts from. So from there, right? So that's my analysis for what M15 time frame. So that's what I'm anticipating for. So when market opens for another session, so we'll be checking out. So what's the current time? Our current time here is 7:19. So Frankfurt has already opened yet, right? So 8 o'clock. So let's go to what? Gold. Gold as so if we go to higher time frame on gold, what I'm actually seeing here. Thank you very much. So what I'm actually seeing here for gold is that what currently we're in an uptrend. So and this are pullback, we have another high, expecting what this pullback to end and keep going upside. So I don't that's what I'm anticipating for. So gonna see what this what demand zone here. So this is where I expect market to end. So now demand zone. So we look for our current swing range, right? So we have a forward bars, forward breaker structure from this point here. So we have that impulsive move. So and then we have our swing high. So we have our 4 hour swing high from this point here, right? So then our 4 hour swing low, same thing, our 4 hour swing low at this point. So we expect this one to be a strong low. So when the markets come here, we don't expect this one to even wake it out. So we expect the pullback from this point here to end. So we probably aim on 1 minute and 15-minute time frame to end. So that is what we are anticipating. Now we go to 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame, as you can see here. So it was a great trend. So from this point here. So as you can see, this is what I'm saying. Yesterday here, 8 o'clock, we have a pre-structure, right? So we have trend. We have this, we have a trend chain, but I never see what market structure shift for the trend chain. So I won't take this first pullback. So now, this first pullback I will be taking. The second pullback I will be taking. Take this one. I'll take this one. And I'll take this one also. Then we have this massive move again. I will take it, a break out. So this is what I'm anticipating. So currently we are what? We are now in so this first consolidation. So market trend. So the first consolidation market trend change, right? So this is what I'm anticipating here, right? Because this is what lead to break of structure. So if market break this structure here, so I probably say we are actually trend. So we actually change trend already. So and if the market break the structure, break this one, we have a word double zone breakout. So that is a word a very validation for me to go for a long position from there. And this point where we will you will actually be targeting. So you will be actually targeting for what? So you're actually looking for sorry. So you'll be actually looking for a what? A sniper entry from this point here, right? So you actually what? Look for your zone from this point here and target that what week high of 4 hour time frame. So you know, so we actually haven't seen our confirmation. So after we have to wait. So that's what I'm actually seeing. So we are seeing a rejection. So I expect market to take out this high supply. When you take out the supply, so pull back to the demand and look to break a structure and going on from that position. So that's what I'm anticipating currently. So So we had this break of structure, we have pullback to this demand. Then we keep going, keep going, keep going. What we have to know is what, so supply to the left. So when market break of structure, all supply to the left will just be a reaction back in the demand for it to keep going. So can have a pullback and have a final breakout. So, and that's our anticipation. So this is our anticipation over. So, and we can have what, this long position here. So as by anticipation over, well, anything can happen. Anything can happen. We haven't see the confirmation here, so we actually have to see the confirmation. And that from this point here, from this point here. So where the outlier candles, we see the outlier candles. So it may be from this point here, and that's the analysis of what of M15. So what we can actually do is what for what us to wait on 15 time frame. Now we haven't checked out our our demand. So Asian range. So to check out the Asian range, so we actually see the Asian range is not actually making higher high. So higher highs or higher lows. So to 7, right? So so that is the Asian range. And that's what I can actually see here on this point here. So that's my Asian range. So I can actually say if we look for our demand point from this point here, and that is that. So that is the Asian range. Can actually what is a long pullback. So I can actually say okay, this is our Asian range. We have a manipulation out. So we have a manipulation out. So manipulation, then we expand and continue distributing, and that's that. Right? So the last one, which is USDJPY. So the first one is what, we go to our higher time frame. What are we seeing on our higher time frame? So first thing I'm saying on this higher time frame here is that okay. So this is what liquid structure. From here, you can actually grab liquidity. But to me, so because a week is a break, exactly a week is a break. It's as if markets are switch uptrend. Yeah, from this point here, markets are switch uptrend. So we expect market to pull back to this point here. So market to pull back to this point here, right? So we have our what? Our 4 hour swing high and our 4 hour swing low. So our 4 hour swing low, we have it here. So and we have our 4 hour break of structure. So about 4 hour break of structure from this point here, right? So expect market to pull back to this demand zone and keep going up. Now, what are we looking for? So for that to pull back, we expect market to switch downtrend. So where there's like candle standing from, swing trend from this point here. Actually what? Actually this is January. So that is that. But this is when market range, first consolidation and then market range. So and that's where it was this market structure shift. So this consolidation, and we expect market to take this out. So if you have a manipulation that side, we can go that side. So and that is that about that. So what I expect for the market to go manipulate, come down side. So we can actually look for an entry from this point here. can actually take this